Welcome. In the next few minutes you will learn how to disable Easy Anti-Cheat in Elden Ring. This process involves manipulating game files, so proceed with caution and understand that doing this might get your account flagged or banned. First, go to your Steam library. Find Elden Ring in your library, then right-click on it and from the menu select Properties. A new window will appear. In this window, click on the tab labeled Local Files. Within the Local Files tab, you'll find a button that says Browse Local Files. Click this button. This action will open a File Explorer window, taking you directly to the installation directory of Elden Ring. Here you need to find and open the folder named Easy Anti-Cheat. Inside the Easy Anti-Cheat folder, locate the file named Easy Anti-Cheat Setup.exe. Right-click on this file. From the menu that appears, choose the option to run as administrator, where you will be prompted with a user account control window asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Select Yes to proceed. The Easy Anti-Cheat Setup window will now open. In this window, you will see a few options. Choose the option that says Repair Service. A prompt will appear asking if you want to disable Easy Anti-Cheat. Click Yes to confirm. Close the Easy Anti-Cheat Setup and restart Elden Ring. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.